What is the foundation of a great partnership? How do you know you can trust and rely on that partner to be there when you need them, no matter where you are? When it comes to your business, would it help you to know that the partner has 100 years of experience making quality equipment relied on by teams like yours around the world? Would it matter if you knew that company was founded on the idea that innovation and technology can sustain communities? What if each time you worked with this company, you learned about new ways to advance your business? At the end of the day, no matter what challenges the world brings you today, your partner is by your side with the insights and support you need. For a century, Komatsu has been that partner. Our roots stretch back to a lush forest in Japan that was once home to a copper mine vital to the surrounding community. From that forest and the imagination of our founder grew a global company with an uncompromising commitment to quality, reliability, innovation, and the partnership you need to empower you to power our society. Today, we know that solving your business challenges must also solve social ones. Capability must be combined with intelligent data, creativity with proven results, and financial success with social good. Through collaboration, we can create the world we need for generations to come. That's why you rely on Komatsu, your partner to create a sustainable future where people, businesses, and our planet thrive together.